Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share about how to save money for the next episode. Okay, for this, I will talk about buy high quality items. Have you ever heard of the boost theory of society economic unfairness? In the tariff politics in 1993 novel, that's the genre is The Man at Arms. The character Sam Vance explained that how reason rich people are wealthy is because they spend less money over the long house. He said that a rich man can spend around $50 on boots that will last of year, meaning he never has to buy another pair. On the other hand, a poor man who buys more affordable pair of $10 boots will only able to earn them for a season or two before they will fall apart. While a rich man initially make a more expensive purchase, the poor man will buy more pair of boots in his lifetime, eventually spending more than the rich man he ever does. It can be difficult to bite the bullets on pay more than you are used to for higher quality items. But there's good reason to believe the long-term utility of many purchases outweigh the initial cost. But let's get something straight. It doesn't mean you should shell out thousands on flashy brand name each item. There are difference between luxury and quality. And high cost doesn't automatically equal durability. The boot theory work best in practice when it's apply to necessaries and items that will be used for a long period of time with no need from replacement. Some explains uh, some explain of example of smart goods theory based purchase are stainless steel pot and pans for home chef if is a family computer with a large amount of memory and storage space, children's clothing that can be passed down, and of course work boots for people whose job involve higher level of physical level. Okay, next is try a spending freeze. It's one of the easily tips on this list because most people do it all the time without realize it. Go a whole day without spending money. The parameters of a spending freeze are up to each individual, and there are no needs to make it just one day. Some people like to dedicate a week or two they only spend a limited dollar amounts, strictly no necessaries, while others try to go a day or even a whole weekend without spending a single dollar. As you get into the habits of not spending any money at least one day a week, you might find there are more and more money left over in your budgets at the end of each month. Okay, more money from best cash credit card, best way, the purpose and concern of switching lender where you refinance your mortgage. Okay, if you are thinking about refinancing your home loan, consider which switching to a new mortgage lender. Lender elegance can backfire if you don't shop around to see if there are better rates, say at a McRae, a senior loan officer at Chicago Financial Service that uh, especially true in today refi market where lenders are aggressively competing to who customer. Okay, according to a Black Knight report, lender retention is an all-time low. Mortgage service return just 18% of estimated 2.8 million homeowners who refined the fourth quarter of 2020, the lowest share on records. They are the benefits and drawback of changing lender when you finance your mortgage. Okay. Uh, You may snag a better mortgage rate. It never hurts to shop around. Say David Miller, president of Homes.com. A lot of borrowers stay with their lender when refinancing because they are familiar with them. But you always want to compare further to make sure you are getting the best deal. Say mail. If your account is in a good standing, you may able you'll be able to get a lowest fee rates with your current lender, but different lenders have different lending requirements. However, you don't have to talk to every lender in town. McRae suggests getting quote from their lender when surviving your option. I talking to necessary who spoke to 11 different mortgage lender, and that's just totally unnecessary. She said, you are not going to get dramatically different offer by going to a tons of lender. Okay, that's all for me for this video. Next part we continue on how should you change lender without uh increasing your money. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.